Hello everyone, welcome to Cmallforhappylife channel. In today's video, we are going to make a fashionable necklace. This sample necklace length is 55 centimeters. In today's video, I will show you the process of making a 46 centimeter long necklace. Materials: a letter, 8 to 9 millimeters nearly round natural freshwater pearls, French cord, rubber washer, a tape measure, a lighter, a pair of pliers or scissors, a needle and thread, here I used number 15 thread, a clasp.
Arrange the pearls.
Before stringing your necklace, arrange the pearls with the larger ones in the center and the smaller ones towards the ends. Carefully check each pearl to ensure they complement each other for a more balanced look. Since there will be knots between the pearls and the holes in the round pearls are relatively small, I began stringing from the second pearl.
When I make necklaces with clasps, I always add rubber washer and French cord to protect the wire and beads. Don't pull it too tight, because we need to tie a knot between the pearls.
Make a knot. Tie a knot, trim the short thread, and carefully seal the end with a lighter. Then continue stringing the pearls, making sure to tie a knot between each one. This part is about 15 to 16 centimeters long and has 18 pearls. The step to string the letter is similar to the beginning. Don't forget the French cord and rubber washer.
Use an awl to help you tie the knot. Tie a knot to finish it, cut off the thread ends, and sinter it with a lighter.
The shorter section is complete. Now we'll work on the other section, which will require about 34 pearls. Use the same method and don't forget to tie knots between each pearl.
After stringing all the beads, be sure to measure the length before finishing to check if it is the length we need. Use an awl to help you tie the knot. Tie a knot to finish it, cut off the thread ends, and sinter it with a lighter. A 46cm pearl necklace is ready. It looks good, right? You can also try it.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share to support me in making better videos. Thank you.